Lack of nutrition can cause your hair to fall out. Excessive amounts of sugary, fatty foods can cause your hair to fall out. After using this home remedy, you'll instantly notice your hair grow. Add 2 tablespoons olive oil. Olive oil is high in antioxidant content and it helps maintain scalp and hair health. It prevents the hair from cell damage and nourishes and conditions the hair at the same time to improve its quality. The massage improves the circulation of blood in the scalp and nourishes the hair follicles as well. Add 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Coconut oil may have several benefits for your hair and scalp. Using it as a hair mask and leave-in treatment may help moisturize and seal hair. This can help prevent a dry, flaky scalp and dandruff, as well as split ends and hair breakage. 1 cup carrot juice in a bowl. They are packed with vitamin A and vitamin E, both of which help improve blood circulation on your scalp. This, in turn, promotes hair growth and protects you from premature graying. Try to add at least 1 glass of carrot juice to your daily routine if your goal is to get long and thick hair. Mix well. After mixing, take an airtight container and store. If you can store it 1 week, massage the mixture into your scalp and hair. Leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with any herbal shampoo. Now you can see the awesome results on your hair. Truth me, you will fall in love with your hair. This hair oil will not only help in hair growth, but it will also make your hair silky smooth and shiny. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to get more solution, please subscribe our channel.